everyone, I'm Sophia and today I'm here to present my book review on The Magician's Nephew by C.S. Lewis. It is the first book in the Chronicles of Narnia series when read in the chronological order, and it tells the magical origin story of Narnia. The novel begins in London where two children, Diggory Crick and Polly Plummer, becomes friends after Diggory moves in with his aunt and uncle. They enjoy exploring the old interconnected houses on their streets. But one day, their curiosity leads them into the attic room of Diggory's eccentric Uncle Andrew. Uncle Andrew believes that he is a great magician and has been experimenting with magic rings made from dust from another world. Without thinking about the dangers, he tricks Polly into touching one of the rings, which immediately sends her into another world. Diggory, feeling responsible, takes the second ring and follows her. The children find themselves in a quite strange place called the Wood Between the Worlds. This wood is peaceful, filled with tall trees and full of small ponds, each leading to a different universe. They explore one of the ponds and enter a dying world named Charn. In an ancient palace, Diggory rings a magical bell, ignoring Polly's warning. This awakens Queen Jadis, a tall, powerful sorceress who once ruled Charn. She destroyed her own world by speaking the deplorable word, and now she clings to the children in hopes of finding a new place to conquer. Jadis returns with them to London and immediately causes chaos, showing her incredible strength and cruelty. Uncle Andrew is terrified but also excited, seeing Jadis as proof that he was right about magic. To stop the catastrophe, Diggory and Polly try to return Jadis to Charn, but instead they all, including Uncle Andrew, a cab driver named Frank, and his horse, ends up in a dark, empty nothingness. Suddenly, they witness something extraordinary. A golden lion, Aslan, begins singing, and from his song, a brand new world is created. Stars appear, the sun rises, plants grow, rivers flow, and animals are waking. It is the birth of Narnia. The children and the adults watch in awe as life spreads across the land. But Aslan also notices that evil has already entered Narnia in form of Jadis, thanks to Diggory's earlier mistake. Aslan chooses Frank, the kind cab driver, to be the first king of Narnia, and his horse becomes a winged creature named Fledge. Diggory, feeling guilty, asks Aslan for something to cure his sick mother back in London. Instead of giving him an easy answer, Aslan sends Diggory on a quest to a faraway garden to fetch a magical silver apple that will protect Narnia from Jadis. Diggory and Polly ride Fletch across mountains and valleys to reach the garden. Inside, Diggory finds the apple but is tempted when Jadis appears again and tries to convince him to take the fruit for himself to save his mother by disobeying Aslan. Diggory struggles but refuses the temptation, remembering that doing the wrong thing always leads to pain later. When the children return with the apple, Aslan plants it in Narnian soil and it becomes a tree that will guard Narnia for years. As a reward for Diggory's honesty and courage, Aslan allows him to take one apple from the tree back to London to heal his mother. The apple works instantly and Diggory's mother recovers completely. Later, Diggory plants the apple's core in London and the tree eventually becomes the same wood used to make the wardrobe in which the Peregrine children discover Narnia in The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe book. The story beautifully blends adventure, magic and deep moral lessons. It explores themes like temptation, responsibility, courage and the consequences of choices. Diggory grows from a curious, impulsive boy into someone wiser and braver, learning that doing what is right is often harder but always worth it. The creation of Narnia is one of the most dazzling scenes in fantasy literature, showing Aslan as the powerful and gentle creator. Overall, The Magician's Nephew is a rich and imaginative tale that lays foundation for the entire Narnia series, making it both meaningful and unforgettable for us readers. Thank you.